Welcome to Woven Deal, your go-to destination for practical guides on turning your knowledge into profitable online assets. In this video, you will learn the exact step-by-step framework to design, package, and launch digital products like ebooks and templates. Digital items offer high-profit margins and scalable delivery without inventory headaches. By following this tutorial, you will discover how to convert your everyday skills into items people are excited to buy. Let us dive into the fundamental strategies that make digital product creation smooth and successful for everyone. Before crafting any electronic resource, you must identify a clear and specific problem that your prospective customers want solved today. Brainstorm topics based on your personal experiences, daily hobbies, or professional background where you regularly assist others. Look for common questions people ask on online forums, social media groups, or educational communities to find real demand. A focused product that targets one specific outcome will always outperform a generic guide that tries to cover everything. Take time to research what is already selling well so you can create a refined version tailored to your specific audience. Once you select a topic, validate your idea to ensure there is a willing market ready to invest in your product. You can review existing digital marketplaces to see what types of organizers, guides, or design assets receive high ratings. Pay attention to customer feedback on existing products to discover what buyers feel is missing or could be improved. You can also create simple polls on your social media platforms to ask your audience directly about their main challenges. Gathering this quick feedback saves valuable time and ensures you build something people actively want to purchase. Organizing your ideas into a logical structure before creation makes the entire process faster and much less overwhelming for you. Outline your content step by step, ensuring each section leads naturally into the next to guide the reader effortlessly. If you are creating an electronic book, break the core message down into digestible chapters with actionable advice. For printables and templates, decide on the exact layout, required fields, and functional features your user will need. A clear outline keeps your project focused, prevents unnecessary content bloat, and makes drafting simple. Writing the actual content for your electronic book or guide requires a conversational yet direct teaching style that keeps readers engaged. Focus on delivering clear value by cutting out extra fluff and focusing purely on practical, real-world execution. Use relatable examples, clear explanations, and straightforward language so readers can easily follow along and apply your tips. If you hit a creative wall, write short sections at a time rather than trying to finish everything at once. Consistent progress every day will help you build momentum and complete your first draft much faster than you expect. Designing digital printables like planners, journal pages, or budget trackers requires a functional approach focused entirely on user experience. Choose clean fonts that remain easy to read both on digital screens and when printed out on standard paper. Leave adequate margins around the edges of your layout so users can easily print the files at home without cutting off text. Use subtle accent colors to highlight important sections without overwhelming the reader or wasting excessive printer ink. Simple, elegant, and practical designs consistently attract more positive reviews and repeat buyers over time. Creating customizable templates for presentations, graphics, or documents is a highly lucrative category in the digital marketplace today. Focus on building templates that save your customers significant time while giving their projects a polished look. Organize your template elements into neat, labeled layers or sections so buyers can easily swap in their own text and images. Include short, helpful instructions inside the download file to explain how users can customize the layout without trouble. High utility and ease of customization are the primary reasons customers leave outstanding ratings on template products. Selecting the right design tools makes packaging your digital assets professional, quick, and enjoyable throughout the creation process. Free graphic design software and user-friendly visual tools provide pre-made canvas dimensions perfect for electronic books and printables. If you prefer document layout programs, standard word processors can easily export your finished work directly into clean digital files. Choose software that feels comfortable for your current skill level so you spend more time creating and less time troubleshooting. Mastering one basic tool is all you need to produce stunning, commercial-grade digital items. Exporting your digital creation into the correct file format ensures seamless access for every customer who buys from you. For electronic books, printables, and guides, standard portable document format files are the ideal choice due to universal compatibility. Ensure all interactive links within your document are tested and working properly before you finalize the file export process. If you are selling customizable design templates, generate shareable access links that allow users to open a copy instantly. Double-checking your file formats guarantees a smooth customer experience right from the very first download. Packaging your digital product with complimentary bonus materials significantly increases its perceived value and encourages higher sales conversions. Consider including a concise checklist, a quick start guide, or an audio version alongside your main electronic book. For printable items, adding alternative color themes or different page sizes gives buyers exceptional choices for their money. These low-effort additions make your offer stand out against competitors selling simple standalone files in the marketplace. Thoughtful packaging builds strong customer trust and positions your digital brand as a high-quality provider. Creating visually attractive mock-ups is essential because buyers need to visually preview what they are purchasing before checking out. Use transparent product preview frames, tablet displays, or paper mock-ups to showcase your printable or electronic book clearly. Presenting your digital file as a realistic physical object makes your product look tangible, valuable, and professionally produced. Display multiple pages or screens within your main preview image so shoppers can appreciate the full scope of your product. Determining the right price for your digital assets requires balancing market competitiveness with the true value you deliver. Research similar items on major digital marketplaces to establish a realistic price range for your specific niche. Pricing your product to low can make buyers question its quality, while pricing it to high might discourage impulse purchases. Consider offering a discounted introductory price during your launch week to generate initial customer sales and momentum. Choosing where to host and sell your electronic resources depends on your current audience size and technical goals. Dedicated online marketplaces give you immediate access to active shoppers searching for specific solutions every single day. Alternatively, setting up your own independent storefront gives you full control over your customer list, branding, and checkout process. Writing persuasive product descriptions requires focusing on the direct benefits your customer will receive rather than listing feature points alone. Explain clearly how your electronic book, template, or printable will save them valuable time, reduce stress, or solve a problem. Establishing a smooth automated sales process ensures your customers receive their purchased files instantly without any manual effort from you. Test your complete store purchasing flow yourself by running a test transaction to verify that download links arrive instantly. Building a simple promotional strategy before your product launch generates healthy anticipation and early sales momentum across your network. Share behind-the-scenes creation updates, sneak peeks, or helpful teaser tips on your social media accounts leading up to launch day. Email marketing remains one of the most effective long-term channels for selling digital products consistently over time. Offer a small, free sample printable or a short helpful guide in exchange for visitor email addresses on your site. Creating short video tutorials and visual demonstrations showcases the inner workings of your digital products in an engaging way. Gathering authentic customer reviews and testimonials early on provides powerful social proof that accelerates long-term store growth. Expanding your product line through logical bundles allows you to increase average order value without creating entirely new concepts. Optimizing your store listings for search engines helps new customers discover your digital resources organically every single day. Leveraging visual discovery platforms allows you to showcase your printable layouts and design templates to millions of active planners. Providing exceptional ongoing customer support builds a loyal community of repeat buyers who advocate for your brand everywhere. Updating your digital resources periodically keeps your catalog fresh, relevant, and highly competitive in an evolving marketplace. Scaling your digital business involves diversifying into new related niches while streamlining your internal production processes. Maintaining strict original work standards protects your online reputation and ensures long-term business security across platforms. Building a recognizable personal brand around your store creates an emotional connection that sets you apart from anonymous seller accounts. Analyzing store traffic data and conversion rates helps you understand what is working so you can make intelligent business adjustments. Sustaining long-term motivation in digital product creation comes from viewing your store as a continuous journey of learning and improvement. Thank you so much for watching this complete guide on creating, packaging, and selling digital products online. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to Woven Deal for more in-depth tutorials on building digital assets. Keep creating, keep learning, and I look forward to seeing you in the very next video update.